Hello, and welcome to Monyet Science. Monyet Science is an online community engagement project that aims to develop the interests of youngsters in science and technology areas. We also aim to motivate students to continue their studies and pursue their dreams. To fulfill our goals, we had to collaborate with 9 high schools to conduct our MPU4. Before we continue, let's have a quick word from our university. UTP, or University Technology Petronas, is a private university in Malaysia which offers a wide range of industry-relevant engineering, science, and technology programs at undergraduate and postgraduate levels. It aims to produce well-rounded graduates with excellent leadership qualities and communication abilities. Thank you, UTP, for allowing us to make our MPU4 project possible. So, moving on. As of right now, our website has reached over 600 sittings in a month, and we have also uploaded 10 teaching videos based on the Form 5 Physics syllabus. Plus, the average view for each video has reached over 100 views. Therefore, we believe that our videos have successfully reached out to many Form 5 students. Furthermore, we also try our best to improve our project by interacting with students through our website to fulfill their needs. For example, we have prepared quizzes for each chapter, provided an SPM question bank, and scholarship information for them in our website. For your information, about 84 students had participated in the quiz that we had prepared for them, and 45 of them have received awards from us. Besides that, we have also conducted a live session with the students on the 10th of October 2020. And 25 students from different schools have participated for the live session, which is our last activity for our MPU4 project. Overall, we got positive feedback from the students and teachers. More than 90% of the participants are satisfied with the program and the quality of the videos created by our Monyet Science team. They are inspired and gain benefit from the program. To sign off the video, we would like to show our gratitude by thanking Dr. KG, Dr. Rosaline, and Dr. Norlisa for supervising us and our hardworking committees that made this project possible. Thank you so much, and your work is very much appreciated. For more information, please check out our links. Take care. Bye!